One of the most prominent gods in the Sumerian pantheon, Enlil was regarded as the god of the air, winds, and storms, and was associated with power, authority, and fertility. Enlil was known as the Lord of Command, with great authority over the other gods. He was viewed as the organizer of the universe, society, and human fate. Enlil, according to Sumerian mythology, was the son of Anu and Kai, the divine couple representing heaven and earth. He was born in the divine city of Nippur, which became his main place of worship. Enlil was renowned for his imposing figure, often portrayed as a bearded man wielding a staff or a club, symbolizing his authority. Enlil's rise to prominence started when he forcibly separated heaven and earth, establishing a separate realm for each. This move firmly cemented his dominion over the cosmos and solidified his position as head of the pantheon. With his grip on the sky, Enlil managed the winds and storms, which were often seen as manifestations of his divine will. Enlil had a part to play in several Sumerian stories and myths. He is often involved in the flood, for example. Together with other gods, Enlil decided to send a flood to wipe out humanity. This is motivated by many factors, such as the ceaseless noise created by humans, disturbing the gods. Following the flood, Enlil is enraged to find that some humans have survived. Yet he ends up making peace with humanity and blesses the survivors, bestowing immortality on Utnapishtim and his wife. Enlil's authority stretched over every aspect of life, even human issues. He was regarded as the enforcer of divine laws and the arbiter who upheld justice and order. Consequently, he was known for his strict and sometimes harsh nature. Nevertheless, Enlil was also perceived as a benevolent deity who granted blessings to those who pleased him. He remained an important figure in Sumerian religion and mythology, and his cult persevered throughout the ancient East.